a BIS 302. Welcome to Session B. I'm Michael Fair, I'm your instructor, and this is one of at least weekly videos that I'll be putting out. Sometimes I might do 2 a week, I don't know. This is, you're in section, you'll be in either section 32487, 29478, or 19701. Okay, so I like putting these out. They're going to be really informal, no editing. I'm going to go straight through. They're typically going to be less than 10 minutes long. I don't know, here or there, I might go a little over that. It's going to be really important that you view the videos. It's going to be to your benefit to do so. And although it's not required, just like not going to class is not required in many cases, but you will suffer without it. Okay, so welcome to BIS 302. Some of you had me BIS 301. You know, I've learned a lot myself. I've been a tough grader, but don't be scared. I'm all right. I'm fair. What I want to emphasize first is you need to get a hold of me if you got questions, comments, or concerns, okay? There's an online course. We don't get to meet each other. Some of you I'll meet on campus, but some of you, or a lot of you are out of state, what have you, and I want you to know that I have a phone, I got email. All right? I'm not giving everybody my number right away, but if you want to set up a call, that's no problem whatsoever. Also, we are going to talk within the first 2 weeks. I'm expecting each person, each student, and I are going to have a little meeting. We're going to talk about your research project because you all come from different concentrations, okay? I've had classes where I have geologists and dancers and sociologists and business and science. So everybody comes different. So there's not a one-size-fits-all research project, okay? So the basic stuff, go through the syllabus, okay? Look at how we're set up here. We've got 7 modules in 7.5 weeks. Starts off pretty doable, and then it's going to get really packed quick, okay? So, you know what the book is, right? Dang it, I didn't have a copy of the book here, but hey, I don't think you need to know what it looks like. It's the Lead Norman textbook. I'm going to be reading chapter 1, chapter 2. So that's 49 pages right there. Then you got conclusion of Klein's integrative core, 15 pages. That's linked in module 1 reading assignment. Take a look at the research project IRB info, a couple of enrichment readings. And if you don't find links, if you find links that don't work, let me know. Find an issue with anything, let me know. Get the readings done as soon as you can. Going into a presentations or Adobe presentations, that is my colleague, Dr. Jessica Hirschhorn. She's narrating those. You can, it's going to be, there's 3 of them: Introduction to Interdisciplinary Research, Choosing a Topic, Klein's Integrative Core. Make sure you view those. If you have trouble and they're not giving you sound, open it up in a new browser window, okay? I use Chrome on my MacBook or Safari, okay? Then you got a discussion board, pretty simple. Introduce yourself. Don't give away those points because it's simple. How do you get that wrong, right? Introduce yourself. So 25 points if you answer the questions on there. I'm going to change the questions, sorry. But there's going to be a couple questions to answer. I just saw that. And there's due dates are wrong. No, the due dates are right. Okay. But the questions are wrong. And you're going to respond to 3 of your classmates. Just, you know, welcome aboard. Get some dialogue going, okay? There's a worksheet, all right? And that's going to be some, you know, introductory questions about nailing down your topic. And we're going to do that too, you and me, okay? That's important. So look at those things. Okay, stop right now and write down number 526. Write down 526. Okay, we'll get to that later. All right. So you want to work on module 1. Get out of the gate strong. All right. The goal of this class is going to be a research project. You're going to do a research paper, a research project. Okay. Don't worry about length. It could be 20 pages, could be 30, could be 15. We're not talking about length. It's a particular structure of a paper, of a project. Okay. I'm a fanatic apparently about structure and formatting. But you can do it, okay? All right, just like you can answer 2 + 2 and you know you got it right, no problem. There's no gray area. In formatting a paper, there's no gray area. There's a structure to it. There's plenty of examples we're going to give you. I'm going to be available to answer any questions. Nobody's getting blindsided. APA formatting and the structure of the paper. There's examples of papers in there. And so what you're doing basically is we're building a structure like an apartment building or a house, and your concentrations, your research project is all the furniture and stuff you're moving into that structure, that place. So it's two different things. It's the structure of it and the contents, okay? Both are important, obviously, all right? But your research topic, the gravity or weight of that topic will not raise your grade any. It's about how you get through the research project, how steps are covered, how you present it in the paper, okay? So you can literally get an A by doing a paper research project on favorite color, okay? All right, I'm not going to explain that because you would do it on, psychology of favorite colors, people, men, women, compare the data, blah, blah, blah. Nothing earth-shattering, nothing earth-shaking, okay? Similarly, so you don't take on too much. You don't say, I'm going to research the effects of climate change on Phoenix. No, you can't do that, okay? It's got to be something that's doable. And ambition, while we're all ambitious and think about the big things I'm going to take on, no, I really got to reverse your thinking to bring it down to a level, something you can do. It's not easy, but to prepare yourself, I'd like you to consider these questions in the worksheet. Consider what topic you might be interested in doing research on, and what your concentrations are, how you can integrate them perhaps, and then I'll help you cross that bridge then to get to the other side where you're actually doing a research project. So during this course, you're going to be doing a literature review, some methodology work, a proposal. You're going to be doing rough drafts, final drafts, all of your final paper. You collect data, analyze, and then you're going to do your final paper. So what you're doing throughout the course is pertinent to the end paper. You're not writing a paper, then stop, start over and write another paper, stop. No, you're accumulating it during the course, all right? Take a look at Blackboard. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, okay? It's really important. Some of the evaluations I see from my online classes, like, whoa, he didn't explain this or that well. I explain everything as much as I can, and I beg you and tell you that you need to get a hold of me if you have questions. If you don't, I don't know what I can do, okay? You need to ask. I am available, okay? So, my phone number is 480-277-6741. Do not call me, cold call me. Do not call me after 8 p.m. Phoenix time. Do not call me before 6 a.m. Phoenix time, okay? Text me, okay. Email me first, though, all right? Okay, I told you to write down 526. Now I want you to write down 910, okay? So that's how we doing here. 11 minutes, so about 8.5 minutes in. So that module one's fairly simple, but I want you to get a full context on this class. It's kind of breathtaking. We're getting out of the starting gate fast. I don't want to give you too much. Just want to introduce myself, say hi, emphasize for the 8 millionth time that you need to get a hold of me with your questions, your comments, your concerns, okay? I need to know those, especially the questions, all right? Because nobody should be left behind here based on the fact they're spinning their wheels, okay? And the last numbers I want you to write down are 504, all right? Now, I want you to email me those 3 numbers. Every video that I put up, I'm going to add some cookies, okay? Breadcrumbs. I'm going to ask you at the end of that to send those to me, okay? If you do, answer whatever I need you to send me, it'll be 5 extra credit points, okay? I assume I'm going to do 7 of them at least. So that's 35 extra credit points. That's, I think, a sweet deal. Then I know you're watching it, and I know you're getting something out of it, and I'm giving you something for watching it, okay? So let's get going on this. Questions, you know what to do, right? Forks up. Have a good day.